it wasn't Rabbi, and he said to us,
"Be not frightened. You seek Jesus of Nazareth, who was crucified. He is risen from the dead. He is not here. Look, this is where they laid his body. Now go and tell the disciples, including Peter, that Jesus is going to Galilee. You will see him there, just as he told you before he died."
So as I stood outside the tomb crying just as I was about to leave, I saw a man standing there. It was Jesus, but I didn't recognize him. And he said to me,
"Dear woman, why are you crying?"
So I thought it was the gardener. And I said to him, "Sir, please, if you have put him away, tell me where you have put him, and I will go and get him." But he simply stared at me and said,
"Mary, don't cling to me, for I have not yet ascended to the Father. But go and find my brothers and tell them, I ascend unto my Father and your Father, and to my God and to your God."
Let's go worship the Lord in the temple.
Oh, you're merciful. What have I done? I am so ashamed. I am so ashamed of myself. How can I allow the rabbi to be smitten onto his death like this and I do nothing?
Fear not, brother. The Messiah is alive. We have seen him. We have seen the Lord.
I refuse to believe such nonsense.
I tell you, we met him on our way to Emmaus. We were discussing so sadly, and he asked us, what is it that we were discussing? And I unknowingly asked him if he was the only person that knew about this in the whole of Jerusalem.
You foolish people, you find it so hard to believe all that the prophets wrote in their scriptures. Wasn't it clearly predicted that the Messiah would have to suffer all these things before entering his glory?
I tell you, we broke bread with him, and then he blessed it, and then he disappeared in the moment.
I refuse to believe this. I refuse to believe this until I see the wounds onto his hand. Put my fingers onto those wounds. Place my hand onto the wound at the back.
Peace be with you. Why are you frightened? Why are your hearts filled with doubt? Thomas, put your finger here and look at my hands. Put your hand into the wound in my side. Don't be faithless any longer. Believe.
Oh my God. Oh my Lord.
Because you have seen me. Blessed are those who believe without seeing.
"My Lord, has the time come for you to save Israel and restore our kingdom?"
The Father alone